Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's guide, we'll learn how to convert a PDF into an editable Excel spreadsheet on your Mac using iLovePDF, and you won't need to install anything at all. First, open Safari or any browser you prefer and go to ilovepdf.com/pdf-2-excel. Once the page loads, click on the option that says Select PDF File and choose the file stored on your Mac. After you upload it, you'll see a progress bar while the file is processed online, so just wait a moment while it works. When it finishes, you'll land on the Conversion Settings page, where you can choose how your data should be organized. The One Sheet option keeps everything in a single Excel tab, which is useful for simple documents, while Multiple Sheets separates detected tables into different tabs, which is better for structured reports. Pick the option that matches your needs, then click Convert to Excel and wait a few seconds for the file to be generated. Before we continue, if this video is helping you, consider subscribing to the channel so you don't miss more simple Mac tutorials like this one. Once the conversion is done, click the Download button to save the Excel file to your Downloads folder, then open it in Microsoft Excel or Apple Numbers to check how your tables and text transferred. If something looks off, it's often because scanned PDFs may not convert perfectly, so in that case, you can try using OCR-based conversion or re-upload a clearer version of the file. As an alternative method, you can also use smallpdf.com/pdf-2-excel, which works in a very similar way by uploading your PDF, selecting conversion settings, and downloading the Excel file afterward. For best results, always double-check formatting, especially merged cells or complex tables, since online tools can sometimes simplify layouts. And that's really all there is to it. A quick and easy way to turn any PDF into an Excel spreadsheet directly on your Mac.